As I started getting thinner, then I started looking for doctors.
My hairline was straight across, completely not natural. My brother, who's younger than me, he was here about a month ago to get the surgery done for the first time.
I saw the straight line on his above his forehead.
So I came in to fix one problem and I got 3 things accomplished.
It was relaxing. It wasn't a stressful environment.
The care is just tremendous. The cleanliness, the facility is just tremendous.
Nobody noticed that I had the hair transplant.
No one in my family knew I had the second surgery.
I would definitely recommend Dr. Bolton to others, as I already have.
But 100% recommend Dr. Bolton to others.
Vita Shanae here at Dr. Bolton's office, and joining us is a beautiful couple, Vito and Julie.
He's got a very young, vibrant personality. Excited, I think it's more nervous excitement.
And there was people walking in and out, and he's like, hey, come here, check him out. This is what I did here. Check this guy's scar out. There was a sense of comfort when I came into here, and confidence that Dr. Bolton gave me twice as many, almost 8,000 hairs. I told a couple of guys that were there that I had the surgery done. They were all trying to find my suture lines, and nobody could even just go to one place, be looking. I looked at 3 along. I did my homework on the internet. I wouldn't just sign up the first place I went.
I'm Vita Shanae, and we're at Dr. Brett Bolton's office with Esteban.
It was very noticeable up in the front, especially. It bothered me because I was so young. It was just really weird. I tried to cover it up as much as I could, and it just wasn't working. I researched a few doctors, maybe about 4 of them. Feel that security, that comfort, where it was kind of like I was walking into a car dealership. They know what they're doing, and it doesn't feel like a sales pitch. And Dr. Bolton was the only came to where him and his staff, I actually felt that security and comfort, and they broke down.
I'm Vita Shanae, and Steve is joining us here today in Dr. Bolton's office.
When I had my kids, they're laying on my back and they're looking down and saying, Dad, you have a hole in the back of your head. Who, this guy or that guy or Dr. Bolton? And then the light went off. I never heard of Dr. Bolton.
Ooh.
And I looked on the website and I looked at the results.
So many resources on that website. Okay, here's before, and then here's after.
No, it was
before and then after.
It was apples for apples.
Right.
And it was all after one procedure.
Right.